All right, here we are in the 76 Corvette C3. This puppy is tired here. Bought a new kit on eBay. And there she is. Some instructions, and screws. So we already started with little tiny wrench there. These come off. I already did that one to make sure I knew what I was doing. We're gonna set those there. This is gonna screw off. Pretty easy there. There's a little spring in there, so you don't want to see it right there. You don't want to lose that. So we got that off. We got some screws, 4 screws there, and then we're going to see what we get into. And then we got to kind of lift this up, and then you see the screws, 2 screws there. There's 2 screws down there. Then, which I didn't know when I bought the kit, is you got to put this in, and then you got to drill a little holes, mark them, and then drill the little holes for this new boot shifter to go in there. I thought it came pre-assembled, so that's a fun little step to go with it. I really hope that these screws don't fight me too much, and I'm not quite sure what else is gonna fight me, but I will let you know. All right, all the screws are out. Of course, that one fought me, that one, but took the spring out. That's in there. So in theory, it's gonna raise up. Somehow this is gonna come out. I'm not sure. Hold on. Okay, so I took the little rod out there. I hope that goes back in easy. This is what it basically stays in place. And then this cover, just slowly peeling off of there. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right, there you have it. There's the old one. Gotta get I'm guessing this is the original, but I like to keep original, but this thing was unsalvageable. So we'll line up the other one, mark it with the pencil for the holes, drill the holes, and hopefully just put her right back together. Nothing's ever that easy though. Voila. Okay, first snafu, of course. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. Here's the problem. The new one is essentially an inch longer than the old one, despite it saying right there through 76 manual transmission. So I think I can get it to work, but I don't like it. I don't like it at all. And there she is, all put back together. There's a million mosquitoes in here, but looks a lot better. You won't believe what I had to do, actually. This, believe it or not, is the frame to the new one. Buddy, what's up? This was the frame to the new one, even though it was rusted. Way too long. So I tried to jam it in. I couldn't get it to work. It was gonna hang out. It was gonna be an issue. So I actually tore the leather. I didn't tear it. I pulled the leather off of what was holding it here and rebuilt the old frame with it. So my suggestion is, apparently some people are advertising that it's for a 70s up to a 76 vet. This was a good inch too long, so it's a total pain. Should have been about a 30-minute project. Instead it was a 2-hour project. So I don't necessarily want to name person who sold me this, but they seem pretty reputable, but it's complete garbage. So looks a lot better. Got it on there. I think it'll last for years to come. Buy a classic car, they said. All right, thanks for watching.